But I'm going to keep the challenge and come and try catch them.
More show no, my game, and I want me to say I goes in this, and me a drop this. And you don't have to authorize this free job, because me a drop this. So my favorite song, yeah? Listen.
Nathan, good morning.
Morning, Daddy.
I'm going to ask you a question.
Welcome to the countdown. Yeah. Masca, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Okay, my readers, I have some exciting things to share, but it's Christmas season and I think I want to give away some stuff to the Berry readers, but not this countdown, the one just before Christmas. I'll give you all the information, so just stay tuned and lock to the Dutty Berry social media pages. You can check them out all over at Dutty Berry Show. Okay, but anyhow, let's get into this week's top 10 countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Man in Cup drama, me football. Okay, my readers know, so you might have heard that Craig Butler, big bad coach, has led Mona High to the victorious, a very, just, oh my God, a spectacular win in this year's Man in Cup. Now, Craig Butler and the team, you saw them on, Monday, just celebrating, just, being excited to actually achieve such a feat because they've come close, man, but to walk away with the title of Man in Cup champions, that has to be something quite an amazing thing to witness. And so you see them there, parade and all of that. But I guess all of that good news and the fanfare is now being overshadowed by some recent videos that are surfacing online showing some Mona High students hurling insults at Jamaica College, security and personnel and students, and boy. Yeah, man, this is definitely not a good look. You know that they definitely were going up against JC. So you look at something like this now and you're just like, wow. This not really look good because they're literally right across from each other. They literally are in the same vicinity. So hopefully this is not going to make the situation tense, because you might know, so back in the days when they used to have champs with KC, Calabar, JC, it was not a very, cool climate. Things were pretty tense. And so you don't want to see a return to them type of days here right now. Jamaica have too much a deal with. So burritos, anyway, let me know what you think of Craig Butler. What do you make of this incident between Mona High and JC? Sound off below. Number 9, Robbery KC, Melegantai. Okay, no, Jamaica is just getting very weird. Like, I'm wondering, like, is this a safe place? Is this a safe place? Like, where can you go and just feel comfortable and just, you feel like you will be away from criminal elements? Recently, the Kingston fried chicken that is downtown. I don't own it there, right? I think I must up on King Street, if my memory serves me correctly. The customers were held up by 4 gunmen and they were robbed of their, items. The cashier, she was robbed as well, and the robbers went away with about $100,000. But don't take my word for it, listen to Javon Keys from TVJ.
Employees at the KFC restaurant along King Street in Kingston were held hostage and robbed of cash, electronic devices and other valuables Sunday. The brazen daylight robbery happened sometime after 11 a.m. The police say at least 2 of the robbers were armed, but they were all wearing masks. Commander of the Kingston Central Police Division, Superintendent Beresford Williams, says the men also made off with just over $100,000 from the restaurant.
It's early days in our investigations, and so we have not yet made any breakthrough. We're using all available technology to see how best we can further our investigation in this case.
Superintendent Williams says the robbers escaped on foot along King Street in the direction of St. William Grant Park.
We are appealing to persons who witness or saw these men to come forward and assist us in our investigation. We are also appealing to businesses that angle large amount of cash to look at their security as well and to beef that up where necessary.
Oh, wow. This is crazy. This is wild. Like, Jamaica has to do better, because the way all these criminals are emboldened, they're just doing their thing without fear. Right about now, I think say we, the citizens, the law-abiding citizens of Jamaica, we need to go to jail. We need to go to jail and get the little, the confinement, and so we can stay away from criminals and just left the criminals them out and about for us war and fight and kill each other. Because this is wild. Boy, oh boy, Burritos, let me know. Number 8, Junior Dagger. No, Burritos. I don't know Bob Marley's son, Damian Marley, aka Junior Gang. The brother who known for the article Rasta type of song, them like, some gal in the tinkling of an eye, really, for the pull down the, well, that one that they kind of sound a little bit out harder still, but the welcome to Jam Rock, down to the, I'll know, I don't know the words, it's a shame. It is a shame, Berry. Yeah, man, that Junior Gang, recently he was at the Love and Harmony cruise, where during a set he decided to show off him RDX him dancing daggering skills, and no one expected this. Take a look.
Oh no! No, make sure writing up tempo. I need a performance. We need a performance. Stop. You said he need a performance. He need a tick tick. You have to be tick tick tick. Hold on. What a faster rhythm than that. Uh-oh. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? You have to find something fast. Oh. Bend over, lady. Oh. Yo, stop. ladies, bend over. Give it up to the captain! On the count of three, y'all say, hold on!
No, if it was, yeah, I was going to make a joke and say maybe he was running a choo-choo. But yeah, he can't run that and I just, yeah, let me just, you know. Anyway, let me just, guys, I'm going to take the burritos, them know them look out and this year. So, like, people who are on the live, just forget I ever said anything like that. Like, Jesus, people, it's Cable, you know. It's Cable. I was a decent person, but it's Cable. Very decent at the Cable, you know. And the little late night, something them I used to come on or just broke out my eye, them, you know, like, and then, honestly. So, burritos, are you here for Damian Marley's moves? Sound off in the comments.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Must put on immortality. Immortality, Ross. Excuse the language. So, hear this part. Hear ya. This is the last night. I'm not going to make you suffer so much. Watch this. So when this corrupt
Number 7, celebrity look alike. You know what? I have nothing to say. I just love when these content creators can, you know, go to the streets and them vox pops and do something that would bring a smile to my face. Because you see, in these vox pops is when you get an intimate look into really understanding and just seeing the personality that is within, you know, all of our Jamaican citizens. And the personality don't smile, you know, it is very large. And so, you know, these budding content creators took to the street to ask people who their celebrity look-alike was, and some of these answers were brutally honest. Take a listen.
One Indian band is one Allah.
Alright, which celebrity you think you look like?
Personally, I feel like I look like Shakira. But them some look like Mr. Bean. I don't know why.
Who you think she look like?
Mickey Mouse.
So what they are with?
Nah, man, boss.
Alright, which celebrity you think you look like?
Masca.
Masca?
Yeah.
Alright, think him look like?
Auntie Derrick.
Diamond, stop calling my name to me.
With Lee. Alright, which celebrity you think you look like?
Bob Smoke.
Pop Smoke. The rapper?
Yeah.
Alright.
Which celebrity you think you look like?
Me.
Yeah.
Look like me.
Alright.
Who you think him look like?
Candy from TikTok.
Do the bada and bust the bada. What my youth?
Eyeball.
Alright, which celebrity you think you look like?
That's a lava.
So they are with?
Bad Nikki.
Alright, who you think him look like?
What a movie then here, with a big, what beat up him chest?
King Kong?
Yeah.
Machine. Why machine me fuck?
So which celebrity you think you look like? Rebel. Alright, yeah.
She look like?
Yo, you know Spice before she do up herself?
Alright, so they are with?
Coolie, woolly.
Which celebrity you think you look like?
Kim K, we attack.
Kim Kardashian?
Yeah.
Kanye ex-wife?
Do the bada and bust it.
Think him look like?
Santa definitely last one. I'm elfing me now. Hey, bring him back. In favor T-Rex. Look on him. One Allah checking in. I'm wanting to follow my Instagram is Bianca2_BIA.NCAA.
I don't know, so I want to follow my Instagram, not underscore, not in it, just trending you, man, straight out. Yeah. Hey.
No! You know which one killed me the first one where the girl said Mr. Beans because I wonder who my celebrity lookalike is. I've heard a bunch of things. I've heard Michael B. Jordan. I've heard Denzel Washington back in the day, Morris Chestnut. Like I've heard so many different people, and I must say to the Berriders who are watching, I'm quite humbled. I'm quite humbled that, you know, you put me in the likes of some of these people. Like, I've heard so many different things, you know? And so I'm just honestly grateful for saying that I even look close to these people, you know? Thank you very much, Burritos. I know, so otherwise in the comments while I'm not watching the live, just work with me right now, okay? My self-esteem ahead of Christmas is dependent on it, okay? All right. But tell me, Burritos, who really look like in the comments. Be nice. Number 6, Masca Viral. Okay, so dancehall artist Masca recently appeared on Fox 5. Like, I don't know the station I come like, he just loved the dancehall artist them. So he had his international interview and he represented himself there. He did a talking over there, don't know, twanging, him just represent himself, answer the question them, and it was definitely a good look for him.
Name Massacre.
You know, a friend of mine gave me that name, and I mean, and actually...
What does it mean?
The name is just, it's like they used to call me Sicker. So 50 Cent had came out with the album.
Yeah.
But that time, Massacre. And I mean, and I was a huge 50 Cent fan at that time, growing up in high school and growing up in Portmore. So G-Unit was a massive movement in Jamaica at that time. And I mean, and the album came out, and at that point in my life, I was trying to be an artist, an aspiring artist, and I mean, and they were suggesting that, you know, so this sound right, and this name fit you, and after a while, you know, I take on to it. So it's not like a real dictionary meaning. It's just more like a moniker. You know what I mean?
Okay, I like it. Have you met 50 Cent?
Nah.
Oh, we got to make that happen.
Definitely.
For you.
And this is coming on the heels of his album Generation of Kings. So, you know, last year he dropped 438. Am I getting it correctly? No, he dropped 138. He dropped that last year. I know this year he's back with Generation of Kings. And so far, it seems as if the public is vibing to it. They like, I haven't really listened to it yet, but I'm going to check it out. But what I'm hearing is that it was a solid album. And so once again, you know, Masca is cementing his name and his impact within the dancehall genre. And so, but that is not the focus of this right now. After the interview, he had a bit of a chit chat with the host, and now this clip has gone viral. It is now a trending TikTok, so take a listen.
Really like for just feel the vibe for just. Spend my life for you, like die for us, fight for us.
And as you know, man, like that moment happened, and TikTok has just started to do its thing. And so many people now are using the audio to, you know, describe different moments in their life, such as these. Take a look.
Really like for just feel the vibe for just. Spend my life for you, like die for us, fight for us. Really like for just feel the vibe for just. Spend my life for you, like die for us, fight for us. Really like for just feel the vibe for just. Spend my life for you, like die for us, fight for us.
You see, this is just a funny thing about like being an artist in 2023 is that it's not just about your music anymore. It's about your personality. It's about your likability, how relatable and engaging you can be, because all of these things can be monetized and really help to push your brand. So it's not just, you know, confined to the craft that you're established in. So boy, oh boy, Masca, all the best, you know, with this album. Number 5, Postponed Bliss. Burritos know this is quite a feel-good story in the countdown. So I've been on TikTok for a minute, and when I scroll, me keep on a book up this woman, and this woman is seen very much gyrating and wind up and down in her tights. It look like say every day or every weekend she is at a dance, and she is just the life of a party. Where she get all of this energy, I do not know. And so as time went on, I saw her there with another elderly man, and one time I see them a dance and a gallivant and all of them excitement here. But little did I know that they were a couple. And according to the Jamaica Star, they are now getting married. They're set to get married. So let me just go here read the people in business. So according to the Star, Ephraim Manderson and Rena Fairley, both in their 70s, found love and will marry on January 21st at a beach in St. Thomas. Now, she said that she's ecstatic about her dream coming true, that she met Manderson through social media and bonded over shared interests with Manderson, admiring Fairley's style and dance move. Now, despite initial illness, Manderson stayed by Fairley's side, fostering their relationship. When asked about their sex life, Fairley humorously expressed confidence in her abilities and anticipation for their intimate moments after the wedding, showcasing her excitement for the upcoming union. You know, me can't bother with the Jamaica style. Like, why you up in the people that ask them about them honeymoon night and the soccer and the excitement that they are going to put down? Jesus, P-man, but the woman is basically saying that she's old, but she is not cool and she's very much ready for the Oh, you saw them something here. A late night TV, you know, honestly, I tell you, I was a well-behaved person, man. Boy, oh boy. Honestly, I'm so, to the grandparents and the mothers and the stuff watching and the decent people who behave themselves all the time, I'm sorry for behaving like this, okay? I think I might be hungry. Or maybe I'm, well, is this the place, kinda? Did it rain? I keep, you know, me go shut my mouth, you know, because I keep on the things that me own his friend, and I eat, me just shut my mouth too much. Me I gotta stop this, you know, you see that? Can't no go on for too long, you know, like me I feel like me I know no too much, okay? And me keep on forget, so someone have me up on the TV screen, you know, no bed pack up, you know, on the way to work, and all of these things. Someone you know, I'm not thinking about a food right now. They either eat it or I plan for going to eat it later on. So I just need for us shut my mouth and continue with the countdown, okay? Because both are just there and waste each other's time. But I thank you all for it. If you're not watching it, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And some of you watch and don't subscribe, please go and do so now, okay? Thank you. But so to check them out here when they were having a conversation.
Thank you. Alright, wow. So Rena, you don't have to give yourself no trouble now. Are you a carry the ring?
Miss Cornwall, clap them.
Come clap. Thank you. Thank you. Respect. Praise the Lord. Yes, thank you.
So they engage now, Miss Cornwall. They engage now.
Oh, yeah. They want to engage. You see them? All right. You see them? All right. That is not the thing to live the life. You have to live the life that you can testify and tell it to the people.
Congratulations.
Yeah, man, Submarines, let me know what you think of this couple, and are you wishing them well and want to see all of the excitement and hear about them business on the honeymoon night? Sound off below. Number 4, BMW Surprise. Okay, burritos know, so this video definitely not a feel-good video in this week's social media countdown. So on social media, there is an account by the name of BMW Plug himself, and he is, what would you call it now, an automotive consultant, and he has done a good job of really branding himself. You know, like, honestly, I'm not even interested in a BMW, but just when you see the videos, them is like him connected to a story, and it come like him have him own same soul session through the car, them. Yeah, man. And so he goes by the name of Tafari Forbes, and in his latest video, he visited Mobe High School to deliver a brand new BMW to a teacher who was celebrating her birthday. Yeah, man, her husband decided to set her up, and so he just facilitated. Take a look.
What's going on, guys? Today's going to be a crazy video. We have an actual surprise going on for this beautiful car today. We're going to take it on location, and we're going to see the customer reaction. Let's go. Right, so we're on location by the Mobe High School, and the car is here. We're going to bring the car actually over the school. So to show you, we have the bow in the back of the car. All right, you can see it right there. So let's make this surprise a surprise to remember. All right, so we're going to be going over the school now. She's excited. Look at her face. Y'all ready for the surprise? Yeah! I gotta be quiet, Guys, I'm gonna be here pretending like I don't know who it is. She's behind us. She's going out to the car right now. Let's go.
This is the type of excitement, man. Jesus Christ, love to see it. Love to see it. No, I'm not gonna lie, no, the first thing I see this, no, I say, I'm happy for the woman and all of them little thing there, no. But you see the little Jamaica veranda type of mix up, rare, look out at your window at night time and then pretend like you're fast by your neighbor, then by sweeping. The little part of me there, they be like, I know one and two of your co-worker, them a bad mind or no. I know some of them go home vex and want to cuss them husband. But like, I don't know why the girl come and go and say, no. I don't know why she couldn't do it her yard. She couldn't do it her yard. Like everybody have cash, every minute chef yeah, show off. When a Valentine's Day appear, flowers are show up at your desk. Like we can get flowers too. You know, I don't know if I eat, you know, or become watch too much ball up on YouTube, Barracks Entertainment, you know, cause them little storyline you see, you know. I think that's why the little something in my ears, the little Jamaican rare side. But outside of that, we're happy for this woman, and thanks for capturing this BMW plug himself, Tafari Fabs. Yeah, man, them type of content here, I love to see on the countdown. Number 3, Rebel new choreo. Honestly, it seems as if this countdown has to be dedicated to Rebel because she's been on back-to-back social media countdown. This year has definitely, the year Rebel year, right? And so Rebel, she has been on a roll with trending TikTok dances, and she's back at it again with this new dance called the Chaka dance, and it is from a song called Chaka by artist J Kwan. Now, she recently posted a video showing off the dancehall moves. And the people them were like, I'm Rebel, we not really get this, like, we can't keep up now. So Rebel now, I guess she was a bit perturbed, and she decided to just, you know what, give what we all have been asking for, a tutorial. And so Rebel went ahead and posted this.
And the routine them easy. All of a sudden, I don't have no more dancer supporters a straight dolly. But I'm going to keep the challenge them coming to try catch them. The first move, a 1, 2, 3. You can't go up, down, and side. 1, 2, 3. Push your head forward to the side. So in all you have, so we have 1, 2, 3. Push forward, side. Then we're wiggling the fingers to go 1, 2, 3. Cash in a hand. Oh God. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Cash hand. Do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Cash hand. The new dance we are running place now, it's named Looney Tunes. Right leg, we go 1, 2, back, 1, 2, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you two little bit out that man no come. Boy, get to you watch your pants with us like a matter. I'm saying that dally. So we there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Cash. And figure the right leg. Side, side, back. Left leg, side, side. Right leg. Stamp for go 1, 2, 3, 4. In all, we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Wiggle, 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 cash, and 1, 2, back, 1, 2, and stamp. 1, 2, 3. After we go 1, 2, 3, the man say, you see style. We go so, boop, you see style. Go round so, big whips, big Kyle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we just walk bossy, and then we done. So in total, we should look like this. And stop it, man.
And so since then, several social media users have been, accepting the challenge, doing, putting on their take to the Chaka dance.
Bad bitch, good vibes, this nice. I'm gonna move and I move to the vibe. I'm gonna wind up a night place.
And boy, people, me just a catch it, when I sitting at the early part of the countdown, and so me hope me will improve as the, as the days go by, so me can show you one official one on my The Dutty Berry Show TikTok page. So look out for it coming soon. But anyway, burritos, what do you make of Rebel and her trending dances?
And now it is time for the big up segment.
So first of all, so on the big up segment this week, I have to go and big up Gabriel for inviting me to host Sugar Lifestyle's Christmas Connection that was held at the Jamaica Pegasus over the weekend. So I was there, I was able to mingle with the vendors, interact, play a few games, give away some prizes to people who attended, and it was definitely really a good vibe. And really and truly, honestly, me never know say something you can't just chat extemporaneously like that. Like, I definitely do have the gift of gab, and so I'm just putting into the universe that I have more moments to interact and to share like that, because even though sometimes I like to be shy, this is really satisfying. It was definitely a good vibe. And so yeah, man, you can just check out a little picture and 1 and 2 little highlights and such, okay? Back to the countdown now. Number 2, Rvssian versus Brysco. Okay, burritos. So dancehall producer, big bad producer Rvssian is back at it again with a rhythm called the Dutty Money Riddim. Now this rhythm is actually inspired by from the Go-Go Club rhythm that had hits such as this.
But
him remake it now, just retweak it, remix it, and is now featuring a slew of new upcoming rising artists. So you have Najeri, you have Craft, you have Mali, you have so many people on the rhythm. But who is not featured on the rhythm? Brysco. And so Brysco has been on social media basically beseeching Rvssian to put him on the rhythm or else.
Grip me, please. Just clap the beat. More show no, I'm my game, and I want me say I goes into this, and me a drop this, and you don't have to authorize this free job, cause me a drop this. And when me drop this, make YouTube or anybody come take it down and make a boy come lick me in my face and I drop this. Me a drop this. fuck doing. Yeah? Me with the villain in a dance hall then, yeah? Since, yeah, I'm showing how the whole on the corrupt, you know. I'm showing how the whole on the corrupt, you know. When my... Alright. I love Rvssian still, no. I love Rvssian, you know. I don't want to feel like, say, oh, I don't love Rvssian still. It's a dog I look up to still, you see me? It's a dog I look up to said way. I not agree on you. But, look into it now, see?
Yeah, man, Brysco is just saying, say, yo, right now, whether we get permission or not, this is what the streets want to hear, and we are going to put out this song, Beer Badness Back at That. And so Rvssian caught wind of this and has responded by posting this.
I play my favorite song. It's my favorite song, yeah? Listen.
Picture me and you under the sycamore tree. We are F-U-C-K-I-N-G. Picture some make a keys up tea ice cream. You are S-U-C-K-I-N-G. Miss Grippy, come here and grip me, please. Grip me, please. Stop, the beat, clap, just stop the beat. It's up to Philly.
And Brysco is back at it again, you know, just like talking and trying to say, hey, people of the song. He even put up a follow-up song. So 2 songs Brysco has done on The Riddim.
Rvssian give me one practicals. Body big, she phenomenal. In the ramping shop, she a audition. She no fire.
No, other artists are trying to jump on it too. Armani, several others, because this is really the hip rhythm leading into the Christmas season. Did I really say hip? Jesus Christ, old age. Anyway, and so I don't know what will happen. I hope that Brysco is able to be on the rhythm, because it seemed like this would be yet another hit for him. And so, me know coming out for the heels of Ensure and all of these things, he definitely would love to trend again within the dancehall arena. So, Rvssian, it's all up to you, Jaja.
Hey guys, you don't know, so it's your girl Shensia, and you're watching Dutty Berry social media countdown. Keep it locked, Shensia. Jiggle jiggle my body, yeah, jiggle jiggle.
And number 1 goes to 1 Nathan. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to 1 Nathan. No, Burritos, there is a social media family now, one YouTube channel, one Instagram channel, one TikTok channel by the name of Greens Family. And if you never check it out, please to go and do so right after this, because boy, oh boy, the little youth, you know, he goes by the name of Nathan, and he has been taking social media by storm. Several videos that have hit over 500,000, some 1 million views across his social media, right? And so, if you don't know, it features a father and son, and it seems as if they operate a farm. They, you know, they have what do you consider? They raise animals and them take care of it. But that is not the focus. The focus is that the father has done several bits and comedy skits with his sons that has somehow resonated with so many people, old, young, and everyone in between. If you don't know, just take a listen to what they are like.
Side of the bag, it is some important documents, and you have no use for it. What would you do with the bag?
My God, man.
Nathan, from morning, Nathan, every time you see Nathan, you have something eating, Nathan.
Record, man, record. So what?
Nathan, why are you walking so slow, Nathan? We have a long way to go, Nathan.
I have fever.
Oh, you have fever? Oh, let me feel it, Nathan. Oh, feel like you have fever for true. Alright, guess what? Since you have fever, you know what? I'm going to leave you with Grandma. Me and Mommy is going to go in town, and we'll pick you up in the evening.
No fever, Daddy. Thank you, Jesus. Daddy, good.
Someone in the comment section, Nathan, say that when they watch a video, them laugh till them belly nearly bust, Nathan.
Hey, them that Daddy.
Good morning, Nathan.
Hi, Daddy.
Okay, Nathan, so today I have good news for you and I have bad news. So which one do you want to hear first?
I want the good news.
You want the good news? All right, so the good news is we went to the bank and we get the check cash and you can now get the money.
Yeah.
You like that one? All right, so you want to hear the bad news now?
TikTok one.
Oh my God, man, no, honestly. Oh, you cannot love Nathan like this, brother. Me don't know if he just come out time, Eddie, or is able to just take instructions, but his delivery is something where you can't fake. Like, clearly, he got school in Meryl Streep, Denzel Washington, who else can act? Leonardo DiCaprio, Viola Davis. Him look like say him make for Edna Manley or something like that, because them look at acting something there, other things where you just can teach like that. Is either you're born with it or you don't have it. Come on, man. So round of applause for Nathan and Film Talent right about now. And big up his father that is, you know, I guess mentoring and kind of guiding him and, you know, showing all of these talents to us. And so that is definitely why I decided to put Nathan at number 1. So please go and check out their YouTube channel. It's the Greens family. You can just go search that in the YouTube and check them out on their social media as well. Okay, burritos, that is it. Well, that's it. We've come to the end of another Top 10 social media countdown. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Yes, man. Leave a like as well as a comment and to share the video. Don't forget to subscribe. We're still heading to 300,000 subscribers. All right. So once you've done that, follow me on all my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, aka X, Snapchat, TikTok. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.